First, install the lock nut on the valve stem. Then remove the cover from your sensor and put a new battery in it. Batteries are provided in the package, and the positive side will go up. So then put the cap back on. Now you're going to go to your monitor and pick the location for the sensor. Then press Auto Learn and screw the sensor onto the valve stem. Once the sensor detects the pressure, it will set everything up for you automatically. Then you will take the special wrench that is in the box and tighten the lock nut onto the sensor, and that ensures that it stays put. It doesn't come off while you're traveling. Okay, I've installed the last sensor. This is what the screen looks like. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but you have your PSI and then you have your Fahrenheit reading, temperature reading. And you can tell you've got it all set up here. I'm sure you can change those there, but I'm going to leave them. So now I'm going to go up front towards the battery and I'm going to install the signal booster, and once that's in, we will give everything a test. I'm underneath the front of the camper. This is just behind the tongue, and on most campers you're going to have a lot of wiring here. And what I've done in the past, because I had a separate booster, I connected into some of the power and the ground, and I've just clipped those wires and I'm going to tie right into those. So I'm right here at the battery. My thinking on this is I'm going to mount the sensor right under here, under this brace, and it has 3M VHB, which is extremely strong tape. I'm not just going to rely on that. I'm going to add zip ties around the bracket, and we're going to hold everything here. If it doesn't work well enough, I have another sensor. I may mount that near the truck or near the axles of the camper, not really sure yet. Okay, screen is connected. I'm going to tap it twice, get to the TPMS setting, and it's probably going to take it a second to start picking up sensors. On the box, I don't know if you can see it, it was blinking blue. It's stopped now. Let's see. We're picking up one tire so far. And this is standard for TPMS sensors. Usually you have to drive down the road a little ways before they pick up, but these have it's picked up 2 tires. Well, I'm not sure if I'll see the blue light blink again, but I did notice it blinked and all 4 tires are showing up. Okay, the wiring is installed, zip tied up, and there's our sensor.